meeting a friend after a long time.
Hello, Julian. You are late. We had a table for 7 o'clock. I am sorry, Mark. I was looking at the city. It is very beautiful tonight. The lights are different than in London. It is okay. Sit down. You look tired from your trip. A little, but I am happy to be here. This restaurant is exactly the same as 3 years ago. The green seats are still comfortable. Yes, I like this place. It is quiet. I come here often after work. You work a lot now, right? You are a manager? Yes, I am a junior partner now. It is a big job. I wear a suit every day and I have many meetings. My life is very busy. That sounds difficult. My life in London was different. I painted every day. I walked in the parks. I did not wear a suit.
Good evening, gentlemen. Welcome back. Or should I say, welcome home.
Good evening, Sophie. Yes, we want a bottle of water, please.
I remember the faces that actually look at the view. Today we have a special risotto with seafood. You look like you need a good meal.
You have a good memory. I haven't been here in years. That risotto sounds delicious. Is it spicy?
A little. You were looking at the window like you are in a dream. People who live here don't look at the view anymore.
Yes, I arrived yesterday from England. How did you know?
She is right, Julian. I never look out the window. I only look at my phone.
I'll take the risotto, Sophie, and whatever you think is best for someone who missed home.
And for me, the steak with potatoes, please. Medium.
Perfect. I will be back in a few minutes.
Here's your water, your steak, and your risotto. Careful, the plates are very hot.
Thank you, Sophie. Thank you. It smells amazing. This is good. So, Julian, what are your plans for the future? I want to open a small gallery. I want to show my paintings of the city at night. And you? Will you stay at your big office? Actually, no. I am tired of the office. I want to change my life. I want to travel too. Really? You? But you love your suit. Maybe I can travel in a suit. No, seriously. I want to go to the mountains or the sea. I want to see the sky. We can go together, like when we were students. We can take our sketchbooks and go to the coast. That is a great idea. Let's do it. Next month? Next month. It's a deal. It is good to be home. Welcome home, friend. I am very full. That was the best meal I've had in months. The steak was perfect. Me too. I forgot how much I liked the food here. It tastes like home. I'm glad we didn't go to a loud place. Time goes fast when we talk. I usually check my watch every 5 minutes at work. Tonight, I forgot it existed. That is a good sign. In London, I was always looking for something new, but here I feel relaxed, just sitting and drinking water with an old friend.
How was everything? Did the risotto help you feel less like a stranger, Julian?
It was perfect, Sophie. It helped me wake up. I feel like I'm finally back in the city now.
I'm glad. And Mark, you look more relaxed. Your shoulders are not so tight. You don't look like a busy manager anymore.
Thank you, Sophie. You are right. I feel much better. Can we have the bill, please?
Of course, I will bring it right away. Enjoy the chocolates. They are a gift from the chef for your reunion.
Well, Julian, the first night is finished. How do you feel? I feel good, Mark. Better than when I arrived. Thank you for the dinner and the talk. It was my pleasure. Listen, I am serious about what I said. I am going to call the office tomorrow. I need a vacation. Really? You are going to leave the suit and the meetings for a week? Yes, I want to see the coast. I want to breathe the sea air. Will you come with me? We can find a small house near the water. I would love to. I can bring my paints. I haven't painted the ocean in a long time. It's a deal then. No more talking about work, only talking about the waves and the sky. It's a deal. Let's speak again on Monday to make the plan. Perfect. Walk safely, Julian. The city is cold tonight. I'll be fine. The walk will help me think. Good night, Mark. Good night. See you soon.
A trip to the museum.
Hey, Sarah. Thanks for meeting me at this cafe. I really needed this coffee today.
Me too. I was up late studying. But anyway, are you ready to plan our trip to the City Museum this Saturday?
Yes, I'm so excited. I haven't been to a museum in a long time. It's good to do something different on the weekend, right?
Exactly. Now, what time does it open? I don't want to wake up too early on a Saturday.
Well, it opens at 10 a.m. I think we should try to get there around 10:15. There is a special exhibition about ancient Egypt, and it's very popular. If we wait until the afternoon, it will be too crowded.
Ancient Egypt? That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to see the mummies and the gold jewelry. Do they have the Sphinx there?
Not the real one, of course, but they have small statues and very old stone tablets with hieroglyphics. I actually want to take some notes for my history blog. Is that okay with you?
Of course, I don't mind. While you write, I'll check out the modern art gallery on the second floor. I saw some photos of it online and the colors look incredible. I want to take some cool photos for my social media.
That's a great plan. We can spend an hour in Egypt and then an hour in the art gallery.
Perfect. Oh, speaking of getting there, how are we traveling? Should we take the bus or the underground?
Well, the bus is cheaper and we can see the city, but the underground is much faster.
Let's take the underground. The traffic on Saturdays is usually terrible because of the football matches. If we take the blue line, it drops us right in front of the museum gates. It's much easier.
You're right. I hate being stuck in a crowded bus. What about the tickets? Do we need to buy them now or can we pay at the door?
We should definitely buy them online now. If we buy them at the door, we might have to wait in a long queue for 30 minutes. Plus, I found a student discount online.
A discount? How much is it?
Usually it's £15, but for students it's only £10. That saves us enough money to buy a nice lunch later.
That's a great deal. I'll make sure to put my student ID card in my bag right now so I don't forget it.
Wow, just look at this entrance hall. The ceiling is so high. I feel so small in here.
I know, the architecture is beautiful. It feels like we stepped back in time. Look, here is the entrance to the Egypt room. Should we get an audio guide or just read the signs?
Let's get the audio guide. It's more fun to listen to the stories while we walk. Look at that giant sarcophagus over there.
That is huge. The sign says it's over 3,000 years old. Can you imagine how many people have looked at this over the centuries?
It's incredible. Everything is in such good condition. Wait, I want to take a photo of this golden mask. Is it allowed?
Let me check. Oh, see that sign? It says no flash photography. You can take a photo, but turn the flash off. The bright light can damage the old artifacts.
Thanks for catching that. I don't want to get in trouble with the museum guards. Okay, flash is off. Got it.
Great. Let's walk upstairs now. My history notes are done and I'm ready to see those colorful modern paintings you liked.
Yes, follow me. I think the stairs are this way.
Slow down. My feet are already starting to hurt. We have walked a lot today.
We're almost there. After the art gallery, we can go to the gift shop. I want to buy a small souvenir.
Me too. I want a postcard for my mom. And then we go to that Italian restaurant for the biggest pizza they have.
It's a deal. Let's go.
Buying a gift for a friend?
Hello there. Welcome to our boutique. Are you looking for anything in particular today?
Hi, yes, I'm actually on a mission. It's my best friend Carla's birthday next Friday, and I really want to find her the perfect gift.
That's a lovely idea. We have a lot of unique items here. Tell me a bit about Carla. What are her interests? What does she do in her free time?
Well, she's quite creative. She loves gardening and spends a lot of time on her balcony with her plants. But she also loves a quiet evening with a good book and a hot cup of tea.
She sounds like someone who enjoys a relaxing atmosphere. Based on that, I have two suggestions. Over here, we have these hand-painted ceramic teapots. Each one is a slightly different design.
Oh, wow. The detail on that blue one is incredible. It looks like it has little ocean waves on it. Sarah loves the sea.
It's very popular. My second suggestion is over on this shelf. These are glass terrariums. They're like tiny indoor gardens. Since she loves plants, she could put some succulents or moss inside.
I love the look of the terrariums. They look so modern and elegant, but I'm worried she might already have something similar. She has so many plants that I can't keep track of them anymore.
That's a fair point. If she is an expert gardener, she might prefer the teapot. It's something she can use every day while she looks at her garden.
I think you're right. The teapot feels more personal, but I should check the price first. I'm trying to stay within a specific budget today.
Of course, the hand-painted ceramic teapot is 45 pounds. It's a bit more expensive because it's made by a local artist in the city.
Oh, 45 pounds. That's a little more than I planned to spend. I was hoping to find something around 25 or 30 pounds. Do you have anything similar, but perhaps a bit smaller?
Let me see. We don't have smaller teapots in that style, but we do have this tea lover's gift set right here.
What's included in the set?
It comes with a large porcelain mug with a floral pattern, a high-quality stainless steel tea infuser, and a tin of organic Earl Grey tea leaves.
That sounds like a very complete gift. And what is the price for the whole set?
The gift set is 28 pounds. Since it's already a set, it actually saves you about 5 pounds compared to buying the items separately.
28 pounds is perfect. It leaves me enough money to buy her a nice birthday card and maybe some flowers.
It's a very practical gift, too. The tea is delicious. I've tried it myself. It has a hint of bergamot and orange.
She will love that. She's always trying new types of tea. Okay, I've decided. I'll go with the Tea Lovers gift set.
Excellent choice. If you follow me to the counter, I can get that ready for you. Would you like me to wrap it as a gift?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful. Do you have different types of wrapping paper?
We do. We have a simple brown eco-friendly paper with twine, or we have a bright gold paper with a silk ribbon.
Let's go with the gold paper. Carla loves anything that sparkles, and it makes it feel more like a special celebration.
Good choice. I'll wrap it carefully so the porcelain mug doesn't break. I'll also include some extra tissue paper inside the box for protection.
Thank you. I really appreciate the extra care. Do you have any birthday cards here as well? I forgot to pick one up earlier.
We have a small selection right here next to the register. We have some with flowers, some with animals, and some that are blank inside.
This one with the watercolor flowers is perfect. It matches the floral pattern on the mug. How much is the card?
Since you bought the gift set, I can give you the card for just 2 pounds.
That's great. So the total will be 30 pounds exactly, right?
That's correct. 30 pounds for the gift set, the card, and the gift wrapping. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay by card. Can I use my phone to tap and pay?
Yes, our machine accepts mobile payments. Just hold your phone near the screen. Perfect. It went through.
Great. Thank you so much for your help today. You made it very easy to find something she will actually like.
It was my pleasure. Here's your gift. Have a wonderful time at the birthday party next week.
Thank you. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.